Hello, good evening everyone. Who here has played or currently plays a lot of Roblox? There's gonna be a lot of you, right? So, we all know Roblox is huge right now. But have you ever wondered who has it actually more obsessed with it? Is it the boys or is it actually the girls? To answer that question, our group, Roblox Screen Time, conducted a quick survey on all of you in this class. Let me introduce myself. I am Komang Riantriadi, and I'm not here, not alone. I'm joined by my awesome twin mates, Rama Pratama and Adi Wirapaditya. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down your gaming data. So let's jump right into it. Roblox is a very popular video game recently. Almost everyone plays Roblox, both boys and girls. Now the question, do different genders play Roblox the same amount? To ensure it, we conducted a Roblox screen time study using data from 24 Kelas students. Next, so for the method we use to gathering the data is questionnaire through Google Form uh, to collect primary data about Roblox player. The information gathered includes name, age, gender, whether they play Roblox or not, and their average playtime. Next. During the data collection process, we shared the Google Form link in our class group so that all members could participate. In addition, we also documented several respondents as evidence that the questionnaire was completed directly in accordance with the procedure we had set. Okay, next Rama will explain about the raw data.
Okay, so this is the two picture of raw data, which is we using the R programming language to visualize it, and this is the IKI 24 IKI students, and it already solved with the lowest value of duration first, and the last is the highest value of duration, as you can see on the pictures. And then this raw data will process by Rian in descriptive statistics.
Okay, everyone, after looking at the raw data earlier, let's now break down the numbers using descriptive statistics. We use the R programming language to calculate 4K indicators, the mean, median, mode, and quantiles. Here is what we found. First, the mean. We calculated the average playtime for our respondents, both boys and girls. The result is 66.25 minutes. This means that if we combine everyone playtime and divide it equally, each student in this class spends a little over 1 hour playing Roblox. The second is the median, or the middle value. The figure we got is 37.5 minutes. Why is this median so much lower than the average? This indicates that our data isn't evenly distributed. There is small group playing for a very long time, but there are also many who play for a short time, which pulls the median down. And the third is the mode. And this is the most interesting part, or the most frequent value. It turns out the number is 0. This proves that the majority, or the largest group of respondents in our class, actually don't play Roblox at all. And the last is the quantile or delta range. Finally, let's look at how extreme the difference are through the quantile. The shortest duration is 0 minutes, those who don't play. But the longest duration is the reach trigger 13 minutes or 5 hours in one session. Additionally, 75% of respondents play for under 120 minutes or 2 hours. Okay, next, the visualization will be explained by Rama.
So, okay, this is the visualization, the code. So we have plot, histogram, QQ norm, and pie chart, and lastly, box plot. As you can see, the code we use from the scatter plot, from the histogram is the QQ norm, and the pie chart, and the box plot. And with this code, uh, get the outputs of this one. The first is the scatter plot. The scatter plot is used to define the relation between two numerical value. As you can see, we use the age and the duration. So the age 18 have the most frequent and also the highest Roblox duration player. And then the histogram is used to single variable distribution. So it only measure the frequency of the Roblox duration. And as you can see, the zero duration get the peak of it, uh, more more than 12 play IKI student don't play Roblox. And then there is 4 player that play on 50, and then so on and so on. And then there are the pie chart is used to get the percentage of the gender proportion in Kelas. As you can see, there are 11 female and 13 male. Okay, so the Q plots are to set the distribution of the data is normal or not by the line. If it is cross the line too far, like the last data, the 300, it will look abnormal because as you can see, the flow of the data is normal, but some students are play Roblox too much. And then lastly, it box plot. The box plot measure the spread, median, and outliers. Focus on the median. Median is the line. As you can see, if the median of female are higher than the median of male, this could indicate that female have higher duration overall than the male. But it will be processed more by ADI in inferential statistic.
Tes, tes, tes.
Okay,
So this code is used to separate the Roblox playtime data based on gender. The duration data is grouped into male and female players. This grouping allows us to compare the average playtime between the two groups. Next, before comparing the two groups, we conducted several statistic tests. The Shapiro wheel test was used to check data normality. The variance test was applied to check whether both groups have equal variance. After the assumptions were made, an independent t-test was conducted. Next, here, the Shapiro wheel test shows that the data is normally distributed. Because the p-value are greater than 0.05, the variance test indicates that the variance between male and female players are equals. The independent t-test results show a p-value greater than 0.05, which means there is no significant difference between the two groups. Next, the null hypothesis states that there is no difference in the average duration of playing Roblox between females and males. The alternative hypothesis states that there is a difference in the average playing duration between the two groups. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, the null hypothesis is not rejected. This means there is no significant difference in average Roblox playtimes between females and males. Next, although on average females spend more time playing Roblox than males, the difference is not statistically significant, so there is insufficient evidence to accept alternative hypothesis. Therefore, null hypothesis cannot be rejected. Next. So, from this experiment, we can conclude that gender does not significantly affect Roblox screen time. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Good night and have a nice dream tonight. Bye.